Prince. This side, Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. We do have our own proprietary hedge fund, our commodities platform, and a lot of products like Sheetal Academy and many more products. If you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp on my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818485155. 1 year ago, there was a controversy which was created, and this controversy was the data consistency in World Bank doing ease of doing business report. 1 year before that controversy, I was in public domain YouTube and I said that the data provided by these reports or the conclusion provided by these reports are insufficient, rather it not make any sense. I'm not naming any specific country who got benefit because of these leaked reports. You must be thinking why I'm using a word leaked reports. Now, the definition of the leaked report means that the person who is using the data, he is aware that the data is not making any sense, but this data is used to give appropriate benefit to any specific country or any specific indicator of any country. Now, yesterday, which is 16th September 2021, World Bank decided to discontinue with ease of doing business report. Now, what the hell is that? Many countries in Asia, including India, China, Dubai, Singapore, they used to boast their ease of doing business rankings. But the ground reality, we all aware. So if we speak about Singapore, they are in fiscal deficit, job losses, startup closing, government is unnecessarily taxing people, political crisis, and many more things. If we speak about India, as per Center for Monitoring and Indian Economy, more than 27 million jobs lost. We knew that thousands of startups closed. Corporates are reducing the salary. We knew the debt of the government. As we speak, Indian government is sitting on around $1.6 trillion of debt, which is more than 50% of the GDP. Now, state government debts are separate and guarantees and everything are separate. So the ground reality compared to these ease of doing business report is completely different. Now, World Bank decided to discontinue with this ease of doing business report. This raises many questions to many people, at least to me, if not to the paid, sold and corrupt media. And that question is, how practical are the rest report those who are coming? I'm not naming any hedge fund, specific ETF, exchange traded fund, specific brokerage firm who operates in Asia, or a specific bank who give research in Asia. I'm not naming anyone, but there are many people who are still biased and they are giving reports in a sense that which would benefit a specific corporate, probably an entity, probably government himself, or probably themselves. To conclude this story, The investor of 2021 needs to understand he is in an environment where these reports, research forums, brokerage houses, the so called multilateral agencies, and in many cases, government themselves. Remember, I said many cases, government themselves are making the use of the data in their favor, not in the favor of an investor. But thousands and millions of investors are not only trusting these reports but investing heavily based on these reports. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. You know my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, our back office number is +91 9818485155. Have a great time ahead, guys. Thank you very much.